In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bing AI image generator. This way you can generate high quality images quickly. So let's get started. First, open any web browser and go to bing.com/create. Now on home page, click Join and Create button. Just log in using your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, then you can create Microsoft account for completely free. Now once you logged in, on the website, you can check the AI images generated by other users under Explore Ideas tab. Here, if you open any of the image, you will find the image prompt associated with that image. You can share, save, download or customize these images. And with Creations tab, you can check the images that you had generated. Now here, you can enter your prompt for image generation. Let's enter a businessman standing next to his luxury car. Now hit enter. This will take few seconds and it will generate 4 high quality images. Now if you are okay with the generated images, then click on the image and you can save or download it to your PC. So that is how you can use Bing AI image generator to generate high quality images. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.